subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I want to tell everyone that the whole season, no, I'll keep my nails this length, and I'll do all the atta, banana, guna.
A mantra you will live by in the house.
Be real.
Your least favorite housework task.
Cleaning the bathroom, I'm sure.
One quality or trait in you which people don't tend to like but you can never change.
I'm very headstrong.
One thing about people which can easily annoy you and make you angry.
So it's okay, I'll get turned off for a bit, then I'll become normal again. What to do?
Do you see yourself cleaning the bathroom?
Yeah. I am not going to say no to anything. I will not be a kamchor. I have an OCD issue anyway, so I will be doing everything.
Right.
But then it's their loss. They will not get to taste mera haath ka khana. What can I say?
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
It is, but I'll tell you honestly, I am not. I'm a survivor का cook. मतलब बना लूंगी मैं. मुझे थोड़ी hand holding लगती है, so वो मैं अंदर जाते हुए. I think I'm gonna come out as a big chef only from
Chef only.
COVID.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how paranoid are you when it comes to hygiene, cleanliness?
I'm 11 on 10. I want to tell everyone that the whole season, no, I'll keep my nails this length, and I'll do all the atta, banana, guna,
Correct.
everything. Because I'm so high on hygiene, I really feel that if somebody doesn't do it, but ऐसा कोई करेगा तो नहीं, सबको ही खाना है.
Yeah.
Do you see yourself as a leader or follower?
Definitely a leader. But then people who I like, I also flow with them. I'm not saying I'll follow them. I listen to everyone, but I always do my own thing. I don't know if that makes me a leader. Leader always takes you along. I don't know, maybe that will take a little bit of a time because I'll have to see the technical know-how of how it works in this particular season. How
Correct.
is everyone's temperament, you got to be amicable with everyone. तो वो सब देखना पड़ेगा. But ऐसा नहीं कि only dead fish go with the flow. I believe sometimes going with the flow is also important to maintain peace and so that things move.
Definitely.
No point being rigid.
Lastly, do you like to play individually or in a group?
Well, I think I'll be a bit of both, honestly, because you all make your clan inside. फिर उसी में झगड़े होते हैं, उसी में धोखे मिलते हैं, फिर वापस उसी में सुलह भी होती है. But वो एक है, पर अपना गेम तो खेलना ही है, वो तो भूल नहीं सकते.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums for more videos like this.